and that doesn't change. And we believe we deliver the best user experience in terms of charging. But have some news today on battery. So on the 6T, we'll be introducing a battery that's 3,700 milliamps. And so 23% better battery life. And you guys know when you ask us about this is something we take really seriously, and we test it from a quality standpoint to make sure it delivers the performance we talk about. All right, so software. That's the other side of the performance story. And for us, we believe software matters a lot. So I'll give you a little preview of software on the 6T. Airplane mode. Just like in real life, the plane takes off, and it lands. So I'll be honest with you, the team asked me to come up with a joke for this, and I didn't come up with a good joke in time for the keynote. But it's attention to detail, right? So it's the little attention to detail within software that matters to our team. But in all seriousness, software is actually the area that I think you guys know we take really, really seriously, all right? And so for you, when we promise a fast and smooth experience, it means taking the hardware that's top, that you guys just heard about, and combining it with what we believe is the best approach in software in the industry now, okay? Software matters, software experience matters, right? And when we started, this is a weakness, right? You guys can think back to the Oneplus 2 times when we were developing the team to do this. And now we believe this is a strength, and it's shown to be a strength, and it's being recognized as a strength. Also, what matters? Failure rate. When you compare these and you look at the reports in terms of who's having failure, stability in your operating system really matters, right? I don't need to tell you guys this, right? And so we put a lot of effort into stabilizing our software system.
Over the last few months, I've ping-ponged back and forth between now the Oneplus 6, but the tilt that keeps sending me over from there 2 weeks here, 2 few months, I've ping-ponged back and there 2 weeks here, 2 weeks there, just back and forth, but lately I've landed on, and my SIM card is in right now, the Oneplus 6. But the tilt that keeps sending me over from Pixel holding their frame rates, the transitions and movements are all smoother and drop less frames. Like, I can tell that for certain with my eye just looking at it.
What we're proud of as more people realize, different for the sake of being different, for solely dedicated 3 years, they've been dedicated.
2015 experiences, fast and smooth.